that second one was an example of a speed limit sign, right? There are speed limits in town that say 25 miles per hour. Okay, when else do we use it? Well, I go to the store and I notice that bananas are 75 cents per 1 pound. Okay. So 75 cents per pound. This is another time. So 3 different times that I use it: when I'm buying gas, when I am driving using the speed limit, and when I'm buying stuff from the store. Okay, there are plenty of other examples of when you use these sorts of things. So some things that we see when we're reading for unit rate is the word per, the word each, and the word every. Okay, each of these words mean for a single unit. Okay, these mean that sort of thing. So let's try and find a unit rate. So I'm going to start a new page. We're going to try and find a unit rate. Okay, so this finding the unit rate. It says buying 10 gallons of gas for $25. What is the price per gallon? So some key things here is right here. I know that I've got 10 gallons and I've got $25. And it says, what is the price per gallon? That means that I'm looking for if the number of gallons was the number 1. Okay. So I spent $25 on 10 gallons. So I'm going to set up a ratio. I'm going to set up a price per gallon. Okay. And I notice that gallon is on the bottom because that's the word that I said per or each or for 1. Okay. When I write a unit rate, that number is on the bottom. So I'm going to start with $25. So I start with $25 out of 10 gallons. Okay. I want to know, what is the price for 1 gallon? Okay, so I'm creating equivalent ratios or equivalent unit rates. Okay, so if I spent $25 on 10 gallons, how much will I spend on 1 gallon? Okay, this question is kind of interesting. So what I do is I say, okay, well, I know to get from 10 to 1 with multiplication or division, I'm going to divide by 10. Which means on the top, I'm also going to divide by 10. Okay. 25 divided by 10. I don't know that off the top of my head, so I'm going to do some math. 25 divided by 10. 10 goes into 2 0 times. 10 goes into 25 2 times. Put a decimal there. Bring the 0 down. 10 goes into 55 times. I have nothing left over. So $2.50. So it's $2.50 per gallon. Okay. Another way to look at this, alternatively, let's write that. Alt. If I have $25 for 10 gallons, in order to find the price for 1 gallon, I just need to do 25 divided by 10. Because notice I put it as a fraction, and as a fraction, I know that this means divide by. And again, I'll still get $2.50. Okay, let's try another one. All right, this problem says you taste 15 types of food in 5 stores. How much food per store? So again, I've got that key word right here, per, which means for every one. So again, I'm going to do types of food per store. So food goes on top and store on the bottom. Okay, so I got 15 types of food and 5 stores, or 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is going to give me 3 foods in 1 store. Okay, so 3 foods. Yay. Okay. Ask questions if you have them.